How to increase and gain energy. 1. Follow a routine schedule. Your body may feel ill, lost, and dead within if you wake up and fall asleep at all kinds of odd times. Regulate your schedule as much as you can, and think about making some compromises if necessary to maintain it so that you can take care of yourself for a bit. 2. Get regular, adequate sleep. Every body is unique, so your demands for sleep may not be the same as those of others. However, if you find yourself feeling drained and fatigued during the day, it may be because you're either not getting enough sleep or too much of it. Start by sleeping for the recommended 8 hours every night on a consistent schedule, at the same time each day. 3. Adopt a balanced diet. Maintaining a good diet is essential if you want to feel strong, healthy, and full of energy throughout the day. Depression can also be greatly influenced by diet. Eat plenty of healthy grains, lean protein, and fruits and veggies. Reduce your intake of sugar and bad fats as much as you can. 4. Think about eliminating energy cheats. You might want to think about the possibility that your frequent consumption of coffee, energy drinks, or other supplements that increase your energy are contributing to the issue. In particular, caffeine is additive, and while it may initially offer your body a short-term boost, it will crash later because your body requires more of the drug. To evaluate if this is a contributing factor to your issue, think about taking a break to cleanse your body. 5. Exercise. We are aware that it can be challenging to find the time to exercise, yet it is one of the finest methods to feel more energized. You can wake up in the morning by going for a 15-minute jog. While you wait for your coffee to brew in the lunchroom, perform some squats. Instead of using the elevator, use the steps. You will typically find it more effective than taking a caffeine dose, and all these tiny things together will result in a healthy you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.